Another great feature of LINX is the air compressor module. It takes the place of your onboard compressor dash switch to control your air compressor. LINX has the ability to control your compressor so that it cannot run unless the engine is running. Using this, we can prevent damage to the motor or blown fuses when a compressor tries to start when a vehicle has depleted batteries. An additional upgrade to the compressor module is pressure control. Once installed, LINX knows what pressure is inside my compressor. So if I want to inflate my tires, say up to 35 psi, I can just key in my target pressure, turn pressure control on, and LINX will do its job. Deflating your tire pressures in LINX are done the same way. Set your target pressure, and LINX will take care of the rest. LINX can also control the pressure of your tires in whatever units you're used to seeing. Just go into Settings, Units, and then we'll choose PSI.